your next session. I hope that you all are fit and fine at your home and also taking the safety measures and precautions at your home. As you all know that our country and the entire world is facing the very critical situation. So you have to take the precautions very carefully and you also have to follow the guidelines of the government. Now let's move on to the book. You can see here 3 parts are there in social science. The first part is history, second part is civics, and the third part is geography. In the history part, you will study all the events of the past. In your civics, you will study the rights and duties of citizenship. And in your geography part, you will study about the physical arrangement of any particular place or region. In your textbook, brown color is indicated for history, okay, and blue color is indicated for civics, and green color is indicated for geography. So our first chapter is sources of history. History means our past and sources means the ways from which we can know our past. Let's start the chapter. Early in the morning, you receive a newspaper which makes you aware of the daily events and incidents. I think you all are daily reading the newspaper, right? If you are not reading the newspaper, then you should develop the habit of reading the newspaper because it is a good habit and you will come to know about the current situation of the world. So by reading the newspaper, you are getting the awareness of the daily events, happenings and situations, incidents in the country or which is existing in the entire world. After some time, these events become the past. कुछ टाइम के बाद ही ये events past बन जाते हैं. This means today's present will become tomorrow's past. We recall the date and time when the same type of incident happens. We are generally recording the date and time. So whenever the incident is repeating, we are recalling them with the help of date and time. Photographs and detailed information given of the past event in the newspaper help us to know our history. So whenever you are reading the newspaper or any magazine, you are sometimes watching the photograph and the information about the particular type of photograph in that newspaper. From that you can come to know about the history and the past event, what was happened in our past. In short, when you are reading the information about anything related to the past in any article or any newspaper or any magazine, you will get the detailed information of our past history from which you can come to know the history in the proper manner, right? Stamps, idols means murti, utensils, vessels and various other tools are the sources of history. These all things are the sources of history. मैंने आपको इंट्रोडक्शन में ही बताया था कि व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ सोर्सेज. सोर्सेज मीन्स द थिंग्स, द वेज from which we can know our history. We come to know history through such sources. It is necessary to have the knowledge of the past and understand the present situation. It is very much important that you should have the knowledge of past. आपके पास past की knowledge होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And from where you can get the knowledge of past? For that you have to read the books. You have to read the newspapers, discuss the things of general knowledge with others and many more things you can do. And along with that, you also have to understand the present situation. Now, I will show you the images of these tools which are mentioned over here. So let's see. See, these are the images of those tools which I have mentioned you in the previous slide. Now, I will show you these images one by one. This is the image of a stamp of 20th century. These are the images of utensils. When collecting articles, photographs and pictures of paintings, We gather historical information. Whenever we are collecting any article, any photograph, any images, paintings, we gather the information of our history, information of our past. So that is termed as a historical information. You might even know some people who have a collection of old paintings, photographs, coins, stamp and written information. आपको मालूम होगा that some people have the habit of collecting the old things, like they have the habit of collecting the old paintings, photographs, coins and many other things. This treasure of information was passed on to us by earlier generation. This means that we are privileged that we have got all these things, all the recorded things from our earlier generation. हमको इसका एडवांटेज मिला है दैट हमको हमारी हिस्ट्री की सारी डिटेल्स हमको हमारे अर्लियर जनरेशन से पास ऑन हुई है. In December 2000, most of the newspapers had published various articles with photographs on the incidents and events of the 20th century, which became famous as the Millennium Gallery. In the year 2000, in the month of December, many newspapers had published the articles with photographs. बहुत सारे newspaper ने articles publish किए थे along with the photographs, and they were based on the incidents and the events of the 20th century. They became very famous. वो इतने ज़्यादा famous हो गए थे, that's why they are termed as a Millennium Gallery. Since our history is very ancient, we are always eager to know what people were eating and wearing, how they lived, what were their daily part activities. आपको मालूम ही है कि हमारी हिस्ट्री कितनी पुरानी है. So we are always eager to know what the people in the ancient time were eating, what kind of clothes they were wearing and how they lived. उनकी लाइफस्टाइल कैसे होती थी and what were their daily activities. Now we will study about Bhojpatras and Tadpatras. What is the meaning of both of them? These are the barks of trees on which books were written in ancient times. Trees के bark पे books लिखी जाती थी during ancient time. These are the meaning of Bhojpatras and Tadpatras. Now I will show you the images of both of them. So these are the images of Bhojpatras and Tadpatras. We can know about the past through various sources. We can come to know about our past from many different kinds of sources. The Tadpatras and Bhojpatras manuscript are written mostly in Brahmi script. Tadpatras and Bhojpatras मोस्टली कौन से स्क्रिप्ट में लिखे जाते थे? इन द ब्राह्मी स्क्रिप्ट. मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट का मीनिंग ये होता है दैट इट इज़ रिटन बाय हैंड. द स्क्रिप्ट विच आर मोस्टली रिटन बाय हैंड. भोजपत्रास आर मेड फ्रॉम द स्किन ऑफ अ ट्री नेम्ड भोज. भोजपत्रास कहाँ से बनते थे? दे वर मेड फ्रॉम द स्किन ऑफ अ ट्री एंड व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द ट्री? भोज. दैट्स व्हाई दे वर टर्म्ड एज अ भोजपत्रास. Almost most of the Brahmi script have been destroyed by insects. Most of the Brahmi manuscript are destroyed by insects, but some are still preserved in temples, viharas, libraries and government museums. But आज के डेट में भी कुछ स्क्रिप्ट प्रिजर्व्ड है इन टेम्पल्स, विहारास, लाइब्रेरीज एंड इन गवर्नमेंट म्यूजियम्स. विहारास मीन्स ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे आप घूमने जाते हो और वहाँ पे आप रेस्ट करते हो, अपना फूड खाते हो, ऐसी जगह को बोलते हैं विहारास. उसको एंशिएंट टाइम में आश्रम के नाम से बोलते थे. यूजिंग दिस सोर्सेस वी गेट अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट किंग्स and their administration in ancient times. From all these sources we can come to know about kings as well as about the administration in ancient times. So I hope that you have understood the concept very well. Please go through this topic twice at your home. If you are having any queries or doubts, we will be soon coming online for clearing all your doubts. Thank you and have a nice day.